Welcome to Rafiq. In today's video, I am going to explain you the question number 15 of chapter 7, that is functions in C. Write a C program to define a function add that accept three integers. This integers indicates of an integer array. The function returns summation of the elements stored in those indices. Now let's declare a global array. So our global array will be integer type int, array name is arr, and within square brackets we are giving the maximum size as 50, and we are taking one more variable size. These two are global variable. Now we are going to declare the function to add the three elements of the array. So we'll write here int, return type will be int, function name is add, and within bracket we'll pass three integers int, int and int. After that semicolon, because I am not writing the definition here. Now the main function int main. After the main function, here we will declare the variable for the program. Here we will declare at first int I for index. Then we need three more variable to accept the indices of the array. So we can keep the variable as n1, n2, and n3. After that semicolon. Now we'll take the size of the array from user. So printf statement, we'll write enter size and /n. After that we'll read the value. So scanf. Here we'll write ampersand d and we'll store it in variable size. Now we will have to take the input. So we'll write for loop for I equal 0, I less than size, then I plus plus, and inside the loop body we will take input to the array. So here we'll write first a printf statement, and here enter element %d, and the d value will be I plus 1. Now scanf statement. Here we'll write %d and we'll store it in ampersand arr and within square bracket size. It's done. Now we have to take three indices which we are going to add. So we'll write printf statement. Here we'll write enter three indices to add. Then we'll go to next line. Here scanf statement, and here we'll write %d 3 times because we are going to take three integers, that's why %d 3 times. And the location will be ampersand n1 ampersand n2, so it's not now, it's n1, and ampersand n3. After taking input, we have to call the function. So we'll call the function as directly we can display the output also. So we'll write printf, the sum is %d, and the result will be available on this function. We'll call the function. To call the function, we'll simply write add, and within bracket we will pass the variable n1, n2, n3. Now we will have to add return 0 statement as our program finish. Now we'll have the definition for the function which will add the array integers or indices. So we'll write int add, and within brackets we can write int a, int b, int c. These are a, b, c, these are variable name. We can give any variable name while we use the function, as we accepted 3 variables, that's why 3 names. Then we have to add the numbers. So here we can write one more variable will take, that is sum. Sum will add the numbers. So sum equal a plus b plus c. Then we'll return the sum. Oh sorry, not a plus b plus c, otherwise it will just add the numbers. These are actually indices of the array. So we will write arr within square bracket a, then plus arr within square bracket b plus arr within square bracket c. These 3 numbers we will add. After that we will return the sum, and the data type of sum will be integer. So we have done. Now let's check whether there is any mistake or not. There is mistake on line number 18. So let's go to the line number 18. Here it should be n, not any, it's n2. Now run. No mistake. So size is 5, and now I am entering the elements 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now asking me to enter 3 indices to add. I am entering as 2, 3 and 1. Now the answer is sum is 0. No, something is wrong. Oh, in scanf we did a mistake. Actually it should not be size, it should be I. That's why the program was not working. Now we'll write the values. ARR here within square brackets B, then at last ARR within square bracket it is C. Now let's run the program. Enter the size 5 and element 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and the indices 1, 2, 3. The sum is 12 means I am adding the number 5 plus 4 plus 3, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12. So this is how this program works. So let's see from beginning. At first we have a global variable array and size of the array. After that we define a function, declare a function that accepts 3 integers. After that main function, in main function we take the variable as I for index, then 3 variable for indices and 1 as variable to store the sum, then taking input to the array. After that we are taking input for indices also, means which indices we are going to add. After that value we are passing this value through this add function, and at last we are displaying the result that we got from the function add. Now here is the definition. In definition we just declare one integer variable sum, and there we add ARR within index A plus ARR within index B, then ARR within index C equal after that we are returning the sum. So this way you can solve the question number 15 of chapter 7. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.